Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Fit to Screen feature on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, open Settings by pressing the Settings button on your remote control, then press OK to open the settings, then go to All Settings and then open the Picture tab. Now in the Picture tab we're going to have to go to Picture Size Settings, and if you want to enable Fit to Screen you have to select this option and then select either on or auto if you want the TV to do it for you. If you disable this feature, the fit to screen, the picture will not be fit to your device's display. So that's basically it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.